Hello everyone, it's Hélène Jawhara Piner. Welcome to my kitchen here in the south of France. I'm so happy to be part of the Jewish month heritage to highlight the richness of our culture. So I decided to do a very special dish, a dish that the Sephardim used to do for Shabbat, and it is called harissa. In my cookbook Sephardi, I offer a recipe of oriza, which is related to the Andalusian Jews in the 13th century. But what we should know is that in pre-Islamic Arabia, there was a dish called harissa, which was in fact quite the same and was prepared by the Jews of this territory and including the Yemenite Jews. In the 7th century, a caliph, during a party, asked a Jew to recite a poem, and this man, who was Jewish, decided to highlight in this poem the importance of its father. And so this was supposed not to be very pleasant for the caliph. Nevertheless, he asked something very special to the Jew. He asked him if his family still prepared the harissa dish as well as they used to do. And the Jew said, it's now even better. So the caliph was very surprised, and so he asked the Jew to prepare one dish of harissa, and he really enjoyed it. So he was not punished and not killed. This story was found in a letter from the Geniza in Egypt. And we know that this dish was made with semolina wheat and with fat and lamb. It was cooked overnight, so the fat could be absorbed by the semolina dough. But now we are going to do like quite second version. So this one, the Andalusian version, that also use wheat. Both harissa, the Andalusian version and the Middle Eastern version, are delicious, and they are Shabbat dishes. They contain wheat, meat, and spices, and they are still part of the culinary heritage of the Jews. So to make the harissa from Andalusia, you need wheat that has been soaked all night, onions, sugar, and here garlic, and of course, olive oil. So now it's done. We did it great. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the oven on the Sabbath mode. I'm gonna show you. Shabbat Shalom. Now it's time to see how the harissa looks like. Wonderful. And now it's time to taste. That's the best moment.